Good morning! We just woke up at a pub. Yeah, I never thought I would say this, but we slept at a pub and that was it. And that sounds like we are alcoholics, but we are not. We are just around Nelson, which is known for its vineyards and also for their beer and cider.
Craft beer and cider.
Craft beer and cider. And the closest freedom camping spot was at the pub. So yeah, we had a beer.
We camped at the pub, didn't sleep at the pub.
Okay, we camped at the pub, but it was super quiet. It was a super quiet night, so perfect. Tonight we're gonna sleep at a totally different location, and I'm extremely excited for it. But before we are going there, we are doing something fun, and that's where we're going to now. So you will see in a second. We have arrived.
You're right.
Okay, Google. Such a nice sound. We're a little bit late, so we kind of need to hurry. But where are we?
Hello, where are we?
I'm walking backwards.
Pindakaasfabriek.
Pindakaasfabriek, which is a peanut butter factory. But apparently the famous New Zealand peanut butter is made here. It's called Pig's peanut butter. I'll show you.
That's the biggest peanut
And
butter
we're gonna
jar
have a
in the
tour
world.
in the factory. The real big peanut butter fans. Squeezy butter. Yeah, I think that's smarter actually. Then we don't need the knife anymore. Merchandise.
So the countries that we export to, so we export to over 15 countries worldwide.
We're now parked at the parking lot of the beach in Nelson. I haven't checked it out yet, so I'm gonna look for that later. But we just parked here so we can pack, because we're gonna leave the van for tonight. That's all I'm gonna say now. We're gonna have some breakfast or like lunch here, pack up, and then we go where we're gonna sleep tonight. But I'm gonna quickly... Do you wanna come to the beach with me? Do you want to come to the beach with me for a little bit? Whoa! Alex is also excited.
What am I excited for?
For tonight.
Oh, yes. What are we doing tonight?
That's
You
a
tell them?
secret. I only told him that we're
Gonna
gonna
sleep in
pack
a
up.
tent.
Nope.
Humble.
Alex is learning Dutch. He's very good at it. Ja, hij praat heel goed Nederlands, heel goed. Oeh. Oh, it's so beautiful weather today. Hello! Hello! No worries! Okay, there is less of a beach than I expected, but still really freaking beautiful, and I feel like it normally is wider. So Maybe it's just very high tide right now. I feel like I'm on vacation. And I'm gonna feel even more like I'm on vacation later. I know it's such a weird place to pack, but apparently the whole of New Zealand is our home when we're living out of a van. So we just do everything, everywhere, wherever we can. We're not traveling, we're not flying anywhere. That's something I can say already. Okay. Wait. Can this work? On our way to our destination, and I'm only gonna film. Like, we're gonna arrive without the camera pointing at someone's face. So we're just gonna arrive, and then I'm gonna show you where we are. But we are going now. Let's go. This is scary. We're driving.
Changing fast.
Okay, we are here, and oh my god. We are at Piopa Retreat in Nelson, and we are staying at the honeymoon suite for 2 nights. And we're gonna create some amazing content. It is insane, and I am so excited. Like, after 3.5 months of sleeping in our van, I think we deserve some luxury again, but this is next level. Like, we stayed in amazing hotels in Bali, in Sri Lanka. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It is insane. So be prepared. From a van to this. I'm gonna sleep in a bed. I have to be a bit quiet. Okay, room tour in 3, 2, 1. This is the entrance with the seating area, which honestly just looks like you're in a castle or something. There is Alex on the ground, preparing all the gear to shoot some good content. There is a full kitchen with a mirror. The bed. I am so excited to sleep on this. Maybe it's something good and it's something bad to go from the van to this for 2 nights, but I'm really looking forward to have a good bed. And then the bathroom. With a bath. Toilet. Shower. Okay, it's actually 2 days later than the last time I stood here with this camera. We had an amazing stay here. We shot a lot of cool content that I'm gonna put here now. It's all in vertical, it's all in for social media, so that looks a bit weird. Such an amazing place. The owners are so so nice, and it's definitely a 10 out of 10 here in Nelson to stay here. It's a dream. You feel like a princess. And yesterday I felt a little bit sick, but we still needed to shoot, and I also had some meetings in the evening. And so now we're just packing up. Alex is showering, and then we head on again. But it was so nice to stay here, and I don't want to leave. To have a bed after almost 4 months of living out of that van is so nice. It has been so nice. It makes me so excited about when we are in Europe next year and when we have our own apartment again, and to make that look super cozy and super nice from all the travels that we've done. So I'm really excited for that. But this was amazing. Like I said, I felt sick, so the first night I didn't sleep at all. I have this amazing bed and I didn't sleep at all. Maybe 1 hour max, but last night I did sleep okay-ish. But yeah, we also always need to wake up early to shoot, so I'm a bit tired. That was it for this video. It is a bit random video, but after this stay we are so excited to just explore New Zealand a little bit more and see all the nature. It's starting to get super summer now, and yeah, I am just excited for the coming months. And we are going to like Mount Cook and all the amazing places and mountains and craziness of the South Island of New Zealand. So I'm really excited for that. This really helped me appreciate everything more and just kind of reset button, like, okay, we are going to really enjoy the time that we still have here in New Zealand. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.